about completely rectangles, circles, and same as well polygon. Okay, how to specify the surface and segments. So how to modify the circle radius. Okay, now today I am going to tell you the most and important topics. So that is our move, copy. Okay, so here I just want to draw a rectangle firstly. So I am taking as an example without dimensions. I am choosing here. Okay, here I want to take as a move. Here I am applying move command. So M is a shortcut for move. Okay, here to here we can simply move any object. Clear? If you want to specify the distance for moving an object, in that case you have to specify the distance in dimension. Means here we have now distance or measurement. Specify how much distance you require, like this. And same as well, here we have to add one more command, that is copy, which is there in the move only. Okay, so here I am taking the copy of this rectangle. So for that, first what I am doing, I just want to select the base point and click on control in keyboard. Clear? So this is the one of the process to take the single copy. And same as well, if you want to specify the distance for the copy also, you can. Base point. So specify the distance I am giving is 10 feet, like this. Otherwise, if you want the multiple copies at a time, in that case what you have to do means just take the first copy. So here I am going to take a copy of 5 feet. Next, give into 10, enter. So you get the same copies after that object. Okay, just see here I am doing once again. So M, firstly I want to select the complete object. M, this is my base point. I am clicking on control to take the copy. Okay, specify the distance of the object. Here I am giving 6 feet, enter. Now don't give any escape or spacebar after this. Give into 5, enter. Like this, we have to take the copy of any object. Clear? So this is our move and same as well copy. And next, we are moving to discuss about push pull. So which is most important in SketchUp. So this is the one of the command which is most useful to convert a 2D diagram into 3D part. So for that, here I am selecting this and I am clicking on surface, not the line. Okay, I just want to click on surface. Have you seen? Okay, here you have to specify how much height you require. Clear? Completely a solid portion. Click on the surface and drag your mouse. So it was the main reason to SketchUp. We always said SketchUp is too easy to model anything. Behind that is these commands. Clear? Easy and flexible to us to modify anything in SketchUp. Clear? Okay. So here I am moving the object from here to certain distance. Now I want to take the copy of this. Selecting the object, give control. Okay. Next, give into. I'm giving 3. Clear? So these are the 3 most important commands what we have. Next, here we have one more possibility, how to move a segment. How to move a segment in a solid face. Otherwise, how to divide a solid face. Okay. Here, this is my segment now. If I want to move it, I just want to give M. This is my base point. See how I am moving this from here to here. Have you seen? Clear? And same process, you have to divide the surface by using copy and move. Okay. So here I am selecting this segment. I am giving M. This is my base point. And give control. And placing at the edge of the surface. Here we want to divide this surface into 3 or 4 divisions. Okay, for that here I am using division symbol. Divide of 3. Enter. See? So like this we can divide a surface simply. Once again observe how I am doing here. Selecting the segment here. I am giving M command, that is move. And for taking the copy of this, I am clicking on control. Okay. Next, I want to select my edge point here. I am clicking here. Next, I want to divide this surface into 5 divisions, otherwise 10, 20. Okay. I want to use command of divide symbol by 10 or 20 like this. So this is the process how to divide a surface. But remember one thing, when we divide a surface, here we can see. So firstly we have completely a single element. But when we divide the surface into multiple parts, multiple elements, in that case, what will happen? These all segments are converted into small pieces or small elements, right? We don't have chance to select these of all at a time. Okay. If you want to use some different methods for selection, so like this we can select. Otherwise, we don't have a chance. Okay. See here too, I want to divide this vertical surface into 4 divisions. For that I am selecting M. This is my base point. So once again I want to show you how I select these of all segments. I am taking a window selection for this. Have you seen? I just want to adjust my interface firstly. Just see. I want to adjust my interface firstly. After that, select the topmost elements and give M. This is my base point. So I want to move this segments from here to bottom. For that, I want to take it as copy, giving control and select the end portion, end point. I am clicking on this. Now here I am giving division symbol because here we are doing a division, right? So for that I am giving division by 5. Enter. See how simply I divide a complete portion. If you want to divide these all portions by segment like this, one by one, then it takes more time. So it was the reason I select all the segments, all elements at a time. Okay. So this is our complete our copy, move, push pull and same as well divide. Nothing is there in push pull mode. Okay, just select the command and next select the surface. Here, so here too we can extend this. It's much simply we can use our push pull. Here, thank you and bye bye.